happy say some people know about the farming already. So for we don't know, but we just listen. One or two things where we go learn, we fit use them, we'll go try them for us, see how the thing go be. If not better thing, you know say you fit continue. I be no be so. Yes. So if we dey talk fish farming, what it really mean? Now to dey raise fish, just like the way people they raise bird, fowl, chicken. They will buy the small one, they will raise them. After some time, they will sell them. They give them food, give them water, give them medicine, make for go. Now the same thing with fish. Now when they recent, now all these plastic tanks, even tarpaulin. How many of us know tarpaulin for here? You know what they use do canopy. Some people they sew them together. They can't use wood or iron, they stand them. Now they call tarpaulin pond. Now you say I talk so. So if you use any of these things, they raise your fish. But anything where you want to use, even if not drum, all this black drum where they run, where they buy the fresh water for us, we can still use and raise fish. Anything where you want to use must get ability to hold water. You understand? Make the water not leak through away. So anything where we carry water, reach overnight, reach 2 days, 3 days, you feel use and raise fish. So you must consider how you take do and where water will they come out. Your feet just open and close them from under. Water will they come out by itself. And even when you want to put water, your feet just open water over the container. If not hose, you go use connect to tap, channel the water there. You must consider all those things. Because when the water to the sea, you don't even see the bottom of the, you don't see the fish. That one, water already bad. You need to change them. When they see white patches for their body, you don't say something don't they do these fish. Because fish supposed to get one color. If not black, that's why it goes black from head to tail. If not brown, that's why it goes brown from head to tail. Fish now very easy thing. Now something where anybody go feed do and go make your money put them for pocket.
So the kind of soil, just like I mentioned for cassava, now the one way gets both sand and the one way get they say sandy loam. That is say not be where clay dey. You know clay soil, those ones where they use, they mold somewhere. When rain go fall now, it no go do anything. The water no go come out finish, it go settle there. It no also it not good for cassava, it not good for watermelon. And also we no want the place where we say it is slopey. Because after that time, if they wash nutrients during like rainy season, wash them, come out like that. So that flat land, just like we prepare our land for cassava, is the same way we also prepare our land for watermelon. So at the season where we go plant watermelon, now from February, some people will say rain never start to the fall. So it means say who they near river will fit use irrigation. It go fit do it in plant watermelon. So as at that time, when our watermelon, even from February, March, April, we can plant watermelon. And for the second season, like we they also do for cassava, we'll do the same thing. Now also the kind of chemical what we they use, say they prepare for cassava, now still the same, just like your glyphosate and the other one when I call premenstrual, where they kill the seed for under the ground. So now that same one you will be used. So the same spacing when they use for cassava, now the same spacing we they use for our own watermelon. But I want to give you this advice, because watermelon and our melon where we they eat, the day of the same. So if you know say you plant your normal melon for this side, make sure say your watermelon no go do anything. It dey together. Otherwise, your watermelon it no go bear fruit where it be say it's supposed to bear.
From grass match today. Super starter there. From that super starter, you get some videos move, deep umbrella. You know, say maybe Christmas period or independence or celebration they come. You want me to quick get weight because most big farms now weight. Now what you now scale now they scale them. Not be high. You they talk say okay this one are 5,000 naira, this one are 6,000 naira. No, now weight now they use to they sell your fowl. So you from super starter, you just go, some figures go straight to finisher. Grass match, some people just they don't want use grass match. You just go straight to finisher. So all these ones are the different ways where we say we take raise bed. It's not hard at all.
So that you can differentiate your own from your neighbor own. Yes. Then when the fowl don't be finished, you carry, when you don't reach to chop, you kill her, you put her for example, you go chop her. And that's not the type of system where I want advice to people do. If you want to do the system where you say go put money for your pocket, now you go do everything for that fowl. When I mean everything for that fowl, you know allow the fowl, they walk up and down. Because as the fowl they walk up and down, first of all, you know they put food for them when you chop, which means the energy, the food where you chop, before you walk up for here go the other side, it don't already finish for your body. So that's why they say all those fowl, native fowl not the big, it is small, and because of the stress where they go through. But this one now, you know, you go build house for them. As you build house for them, you know the waka go up, you know the waka come down. Now you go care for them from A to Z.
Your water for fish not supposed to smell, and you not supposed green like black soup. If you don't too green like black soup like that, you don't say that water not dirty. And if you leave on like that, the fish feel sick, it will come they die. You understand what I talk to? So those are the major things you need to know about fish farming. How you wanted to feed and how you wanted to change water. If you like say my fish, they know they chop and then they chop before. And if I put feed, the feed go just there on top of that, they know they chop am. You know say something they wrong with that water, or they themselves, they don't they sick. So if you check the water, you drain the water, you can't say the fish get like white thing for body. You don't say the fish don't they sick small. So you need to treat them with antibiotics and vitamin. They sell them for market.
It is my privilege to welcome you all to this event. It has to do with an issue that I've been living on since 2012-2013. We are grateful to Almighty God that the prominent, the commissioner and the special advisors and others, we have been expecting them to, who are the champion of this program. So having them in our midst, we need not to waste much of our time rather than to swing into action. This program, like I said, the list before us was generated since 2012 to 2013. So you'll be surprised that some names that may appear in the list, some of them may not be around, while some are still very much around. Thank you, while we listen patiently from the stakeholders that are going to address us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Emina Ekolitsima, Evare from Benin. to come and fulfill the promises they have made since 2012. And only listing of your mobile Maya call out is the list that has been since 2012. That's what the chairman is saying. So Maya, just be patient. If they call your name, you come out and receive what they have for you. But yeah, even I hit microphone Nila so that they explain more. You might the barrier and all that. One more. Oposo, yeah.
Great farmers. No farmers. Yes, you are all farmers. I thought you guys were pretending to be farmers. You just confirmed to me that you are farmers. Well, I will, for those of us, all of us know say this program don't start since. How many people did this program since 2012? Raise up your hands. Get this thing to do. So more like clap for them. So I go sing one, I go join me sing one song for them. When Obaseki don't dey rule, when Obaseki don't dey rule, Edo State don't better. When Obaseki don't dey rule. So, are you happy today? So now to get patient, I know say I don't be here for a long time. We will soon begin to distribute the money. For one thing, when I go down, this money, so what they call increase in productivity. We go get them so that make food plenty. Right there. Now what do they call seed yam? When you go plant, when it grow, make you take care of the wife when you get and the pikin when you get before. Not be to marry another one. Now hear me so? So since we have that understanding, I'm not going to waste my time. I go hand over to them so that they begin giving us this money quick. So that when I reach up, go cook in the food. And thank you.
Oh yeah! But let's switch well. Say finally, we keep on to this thing. But even when this thing starts, I know they this company. They don't be listening. Not they do. So I want to thank you now for our patience. But I want to beg you now one thing. And one thing where I will beg you, say, make you now put our governor for prayers. Because it's not easy. He listened to this matter. I remember the very first week where I started work. Some of them come my office, come protest, say the money they ground, the way you're supposed to pay us, we're not paying. I said, okay, madam, if you can give me time, make I look this matter well, because me, I knew. After I don't look the matter, investigate, go the bank, check, take some of your paperwork, I go meet governor. He listened. Not everybody will get time for that kind of thing. He listened. He said, oh yeah, go do your work. He give me approval. So me standing here today, say when they get this thing, we can thank you, governor. Not be me, na governor. For us. Maybe do more for us. Maybe if it comes, stand that matter. With good health. I beg you. Then my brother don't tell them and say, make me I beg you. This money, make me use it wisely. Because it's not easy. Use it wisely. Then invest it. So that tomorrow you will give money to somebody else to start business. That's a prayer. Not to take, but you will give. Because when you are a giver, that's a real blessing. You understand? You now see what I wrote for her. Now, these are the ATM card where we will get today. The ATM card, they don't open an account for all of you now. The ATM card, get your name for it. You now go Zenith Bank, go activate it. That money in your account. Zenith Bank. Even the card is from Zenith Bank. Not even make the card. The ATM card from Zenith Bank. So maybe I beg you now. Maybe I thank all my brothers and sisters here. We don't work with me for this matter. This NCI people will see here. So now they give me hand. They help me well. Commissioner, when I need money, they go cry to around. Make they put money for my office. Make me help me thank her. And the chairman who is standing here today, corporation, they cooperate with us. So we pray for our picking. Water, so when you get patient, they will give you your card.
No, I go me. Who's up? Okay, why not even I had it back? I will reactivate your now. So, Obasaki, you're now in Canada. No, I go me. What are you finally? Aruna Miriam.
So God will bless her. So we appreciate. We really appreciate. We don't expect. So we are happy. So may God bless her. I will use it to buy paper to do, because I used to photocopy for people. So I will use the money to buy paper, to buy some things, so that we use to laminate everything.
It was only meant to capture about 5 different documents.
After this, you have the monitoring.
It is my pleasure to see that all the whole problem here is to see how the farmers are doing and to extend hands of fellowship from Mr. Governor. That is the actual we can see Governor the overseer of Etsako, who, when he promised, made sure he fulfilled the promise. Today they have come to actualize the promise made to the farmers.